Okay, coming to so verification is over. Okay, so here at up to this level we have seen the ASIC design flow now. Okay, now coming to next level. Uh, After certifying that RTL is okay, next step is logic synthesis, optimization, and scan insertion.
What
Can
is
you-
RTL?
RTL is you can say it is code which is synthesizable. Okay, so any code which is synthesizable, you can say that thing as RTL. Register transfer level. How data is transferring from one register to another. See, actually, this is the. It's not an ambiguity, I will say, but usually people will say that sometime you're writing RTL and sometime you're writing behavioral RTL. Okay, so if you see some standard RTLs, they are already written in assign statements. Okay, only with assign statements, not even with any state machine. Okay,
But that is called as when we write assign, it is called data flow.
yeah. So sometime it is a mixture of data flow and behavioral. Sometime it is only behavioral. Behavioral, in behavioral also you have synthesizable constructs, right? So if you write at behavioral level always, okay, so during that time you can say that is a behavioral RTL. Okay, at always at
I
still.
just want to know that what is the parameter where you draw the line. This is behavioral.
It's not like that. It is not the exact. It depend upon industry here. You don't say like behavioral is not RTL and data flow is RTL. It's not. It may be a combination sometime. Sometime it is a requirement you have to implement a state machine. In that case, what you will say? It is behavioral plus data flow, right? So there is no exact demarcation between data flow and behavioral in terms of RTL. Okay, RTL
Yeah,
may
that is data flow and behavioral.
that may be the combination.
RTL and data flow and RTL and behavioral.
That I am telling. RTL you can write in behavioral as well as in data flow. You can write in combination also. So it depend upon company specific here. It depend upon requirement also.
Can
Suppose
you give me an example like how if you want to write something in RTL,
okay,
so how which statements you use
okay. If you want to implement data path,
and where
how?
it also-
If you want to implement a data path logic, how you will implement? Adder, how you will implement? One assign statement will work, right? So that is you have written in data flow,
Yeah.
but that is RTL, right? If I will ask you, you implement a control path, how you will implement? Okay, you
in, like if statements I will use.
that is okay control, but control not only one signal will come, many signals will come. Okay, so for that you need FSM, finite state machines. You need to implement, right?
Yeah.
So finite state machine, how you will implement? Using always block, right?
Yeah.
So that is behavioral. So it depends upon application. If application is possible with the this data flow models, you can go with data flow model. But don't take that burden, okay? Because synthesis tool is there who will take that burden. It's not a burden of design engineer, you can say. Okay, don't take that burden because synthesis tool will take care of all those things. Today high complexity is design. Its complexity is very high. In that case, you can't write each and every piece of logic. Okay, instead of that you mimic that thing in always block and give the burden to synthesis tool. They will take care of all those things. Okay, so it depends. So don't think like you can implement in data flow or behavioral. It may be a
No, I
mixture.
just want to know the difference. That's all.
That only I'm saying. It's not you can't give a clear demarcation. Okay, it depend upon application, you can say. So what is this logic synthesis? Do you know something about logic synthesis? What you are doing in logic synthesis? Anybody? Yeah, tell me. What if you know something about logic synthesis? Maybe I will clear your doubts.
After we write a code, we check whether it is synthesizable or not.
Okay. So in you will logic synthesis purpose to check whether code is synthesizable or not. Is it? Okay. Any other purpose of synthesis tool? You know? Anybody know?
It will give the net list.
Gate level netlist. Okay. Actually, it's not the. Actually, it's not the responsibility of logic synthesis tool to tell that whether netlist is synthesizable or not. Okay, because this is too late process here. If your RTL is not synthesizable, how you should predict that thing earlier itself, right? When you are writing RTL code, right? After verifying RTL code, again you are modifying for synthesis means That is a problem, right? So what you are telling, checking for synthesizability, that is linting tool. Okay, linting tool will take care of those things, whether your code is synthesizable or not, whether constructs you have used inside that is synthesizable or not. So that will enable the proper error message when you compile itself. Okay, so that is not the responsibility of synthesis tool. Okay, synthesis tool, what it will do, it will synthesize the results and give you gate level netlist. Okay, so I will take a simple example. You have written one code, you will get gate level netlist. Okay, so this is one adder, this is one adder, right? Half adder, some carry. Okay, so what is this? These are gates, right? XOR gate, AND gate. From where synthesis tool will get this?